Adobe Premiere CC 101, Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 cubic centimeters. Adobe Premiere Pro CC is still available and widely used for professional video editing. There haven't been any official announcements about discontinuing the software. Here's a quick summary of Adobe Premiere Pro CC, powerful and industry standard video editing software. Offers features like multicam editing, motion graphics, color correction, and VR editing. Require Adobe Creative Cloud. Can be challenging to learn for beginners due to its extensive features. If you're considering video editing software, here are some things to keep in mind. Subscription model. Premiere Pro requires a monthly or annual subscription. There are free alternatives available, but they may have limitations in features or power. Learning curve. Premiere Pro offers a wide range of features, which can be overwhelming for beginners. If you're new to video editing, you might want to consider a simpler program to get started. Hardware requirements. Premiere Pro can be resource intensive, so you'll need a powerful computer to run it smoothly, especially for complex projects. Here are some possible alternatives to consider. DaVinci Resolve. Free professional grade video editing software with a steeper learning curve. Final Cut Pro. Industry standard for Mac users, known for its ease of use but limited to Apple products. HitFilm Express. Free video editing software with a good feature set for beginners. Lacks advanced features of Premiere Pro. OpenShot. Another free, open source video editor with a user-friendly interface, but may not be suitable for complex projects.